There is a revolution going on in mobility in the construction industry today. How will it impact your business? Hello, I am Anthony Governanti, Technical Marketing Manager with Autodesk, and I am here today to tell you about field management and give you an overview demonstration of Autodesk BIM 360 Field. We are going to start with the iPad in the field by taking a look at viewing construction documents with BIM 360 Field. Here we are on the iPad working in an offline or disconnected mode where you can work locally without the need to be connected to Wi-Fi or cell service to access the project data. We simply browse the library of documents, select the folder needed, then select the plan to view it. An important feature of using BIM 360 Field is that you synchronize with the database and choose just the files you want/need in the field. This helps provide you with the right versions of the data at the right time. We can pan and zoom around this document as needed very quickly and efficiently. Note that the BIM 360 Field website is the place that hosts all the data, but on the iPad you can have contextual information. This means that you only need to have the data you care about for a specific action, activity, day, or set of tasks you are working on, making the system faster and more efficient for your needs now. Next, we will complete a quality inspection and start with a set of templates for quality control checklists. These are either pulled from your company's master library, imported from Microsoft Excel, or you can leverage our built-in content. The point is that they can be configured by your project team and can be specific to the project, or in this case, specific tasks like above the ceiling close-in. We simply work our way down the list, picking yes, no, true, false, pass, fail, or however the checklist is configured for this specific activity. Whenever we mark an item as non-conforming, it creates an issue in the database. The issue will have a unique ID number, a type for follow-up and for reporting, a company it's assigned to, a status, and so on. All the fields are configured to have the information we need for our inspection, tracking, and reporting. We then add attachments to these issues, where we are given the choice to use the built-in camera on the iPad or attach a file or plan from the library. We can mark up that photo by drawing and highlighting details about the issue, tap out a caption, add text, whatever we need to communicate the issue details. We can also attach PDFs, before and after photos, or however many documents we need to more accurately and effectively communicate the issue. We can also view a list of issues, just like if we had a notebook and pen to track items that need to be followed up on. We see the other issues that were created, but can simply click the plus sign and add another one as needed. This list view is also great for reviewing items that have been completed or need re-inspection, where we can simply tap a new status for an issue. Another way to capture issues in the field is to add push pins to drawings. This is the equivalent to taking a paper drawing out in the field and making notes and markups on the paper where we find issues. Here, we take the digital plan, browse to the area in question, again panning and zooming as needed, and drop push pins on the area of the issue. We simply repeat the process for all the issues we find in the location. By using the Issue Template button, we create multiple issues by just touching a finger to the screen. It's fast and easy, and each one is able to be tracked separately. Let's now take a look at tracking the installation and startup of equipment using BIM 360 Field. Here we see the equipment view on the iPad. We have all the fields your project team can configure for the equipment with details about the individual pieces. We can also view checklists, issues, attachments such as operating manuals, specifications, and any other documents or information you need attached to the equipment to reference in the field. Lastly, we note that we can also view the equipment in a model. Here is the building information model coming from Autodesk Navisworks Simulate or Manage. Downloaded to the iPad where we can pan, zoom, walk, and view the model however we need. We use intuitive gestures to move around the model. We can quickly hide or display model elements to better see the information for the task at hand. While exploring the model here on the iPad, we can also make observations with pushpins, just like we had with a plan before. Let's say that while inspecting the pump, we notice a crack in the floor near the base. We again use the issue templates and can easily add a push pin in the model, denoting the issue and add the appropriate details to the issue. Let's review some of the value of using a field management process with Autodesk BIM 360 Field for your infrastructure and building projects today. First, you have an opportunity to win more business by demonstrating your ability to take advantage of the revolution in mobility in construction. You can improve profitability by helping to accelerate project schedules through increased efficiency in the field and minimize profit-eating rework by implementing quality and safety management programs. And lastly, you can drive higher conformance across all areas of execution by leveraging quality and safety reports and dashboards, as well as conducting ongoing assessments of subcontractors, projects, and teams with timely and more accurate construction data.